Molweni ndinamkela ku-channel yam nguMamgobhozi lona ndiyaqiniseka kuba uninzi lwenu sele lisazi ukuthi uMampintsha ebesesibhedlele kusithiwa he suffered a minor stroke. I think that was a week ago, ngala weekend ye-16, and wade wamisisha i-shows zakhe no babes, same thing happened. So ifamily kaMampintsha yachaza naye uba Mampintsha ukhona umsebenzi bezawenza, wathi makuthengwe nembuzi bayithenga, but uMampintsha didn't make it, wathi umsebenzi mawuqhubekeke ngaphandle kwabo, only for them to find out that uMampintsha usesibhedlele. But then this morning I checked on my Twitter and I saw a post from Sunday World saying that uMampintsha has passed away, uMandla Maphumulo. So I'm making this video to inform you guys that Mampintsha has passed away due to a stroke, as far as we've heard, because Afrotainment also released a statement. This is so shocking. Not so long ago we made a video sijayivela ingoma yabo ngeke nivume, and it's doing very well. We're abantu the optimistic by inoba izoba a song of the year, but even if that happens uzobe engekho yena. Rest in peace to uMampintsha uShimora and nakwi family yakhe, condolences kuyo neka babes Wodumo. Yeah guys, it's a sad Christmas, but ndifuna ukuthi kuni nibe safe out there. Don't drink and drive, niziphathe kakuhle. uMamgobhozi uyanibona ku video landelayo. Bye.